How to change the chat theme for specific contact on your WhatsApp, Android or any Samsung device. So first of all, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Now select the contact you want to change the chat theme. So here we select this. Now tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Here you can find the option chat theme. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated with the latest version to use this new chat theme and chat color. Now here you can see the different theme on your device like a green. Now you can see share the green. You can also enable or disable light or dark mode directly. Also swipe the screen to see the available chat theme. Here you can see blue, pink, orange. You can see the different theme available on your device. Also tap on this button to set back black background on your device. So you can see the different device. Also you can increase or decrease like this when you select the dark mode or light mode on your device. So go back on your device. Here you can see different theme. Select the theme you want to set on specific contact on your device like this. So here we select this theme. Tap on a top right corner arrow to set the chat theme. Now you can see set theme. So tap on a set theme to apply this theme to your WhatsApp specific contact on your device. So tap on a set theme. Now here you can also change the customized chat color. Tap on it. Here you can see chat color. We select the blue. So you can see set color blue. Tap on again to tap on a set chat color on your device. Also change the wallpaper for chat in the available list. So select the wallpaper you want to set on your specific chat. Also choose from your gallery if you set your own photo from gallery. So here we select this on my chat. Tap on the top right corner. Tap on a set wallpaper to chat. Now go back and you can see change the wallpaper color, set color on your device. That's it. Like it, share it.